couldn't have been better timing. Just searching vlogging, getting into this myself. Came across your post today, or yesterday, November 2nd. Just getting into this. My passion is cycling and camping and outdoors, really. So been studying up on that, ready to really launch my YouTube channel. I'll show you kind of a few things that I'm super passionate about, things that I've actually just bought for getting started. But here's a few of my gear that I've got. I purchased GoPro 8 from my buddy. Thanks, Jeff. And then also got a couple of tripods to start with. 3-axis gimbal, so while I'm filming, as you can see, my bike in the background, I'd love to ride and film at the same time. But then also kind of more into the kind of camping attitude, just going around and seeing stuff. And so I started investigating on what gear to get and how to mount stuff. Got mount up front on the bike for recording while riding and everything. But this is my passion. Super passionate about riding, any kind of riding, but really big about doing bike camping and stuff. But pretty awesome that y'all are doing this giveaway.